Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about the Blum withdrawal. That's the question I'll be receiving. A lot of people doing this airdrop update known as Blum has been messaging me, especially those that view the videos I made concerning the Blum Airdrop. Well, on that video, I explained that this Blum is still an airdrop and they are yet to be listed. That it is only when they have list, that is when one can be able to withdraw. And at this point, you cannot withdraw. And even if you check, you will discover that there is no any place where you can even link wallet or even place withdrawal. The only thing you can see here is that you only do task and you only claim your Blum Airdrop every day and so on. That's every 8 hours. Okay, for those of you asking that question, or for those of you who did not watch that video I made earlier on Blum, because I explained every damn thing about Blum. So guys, I want you to know that the withdrawal is not available yet. You cannot be able to withdraw anything for now. So whatever you are accumulating is still a drop, so it will officially become coin when they have listed. So what you will be doing is that you will keep doing this thing, claiming, keep farming. So as you can see here, I've just started farming. So you can see it, guys. I've started farming. You farm every 8 hours, and when you register, what you're going to do is that you are going to click on task. You see this place here, task. There are a lot of tasks which you are going to do. They're just like the way you guys are doing it on Tap Swap or Hamster Combat. So those ones. So make sure you also do the task to increase your earning. Then if you have not yet registered, I will be leaving a registration link at the description section of this video, and alongside with our WhatsApp group link. You can also join our WhatsApp group for more business updates and latest news from this airdrop. And then if you are new to this channel, my name is Sparking Media, aka Legit Boss. All you need to do for you not to miss any of my new update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my updates. Okay, and don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with others, because a lot of people have been making intensive and extensive research on how they can withdraw their token from this Blum, and it is not yet available. Okay, it will be available when they officially list on exchanges. That's when one can be able to withdraw the tokens and then trade it. Okay, so that's just it, guys.